Hi, my name is Stuart Barron. I'm National Director of Research for Cushman & Wakefield's Canadian Markets. We're here today thinking about the Canadian outlook as we look out towards the year 2017. Q1 15 brought dramatic change for Calgary, which is particularly closely connected to the oil sector. We saw a massive amount of space come back to market. We saw negative absorption of 1.2 million square feet. And we know that vacancy is going to rise and, based on our projections, likely hit 15.5% by the end of 2017. That said, Calgary is one of those markets that continues to defy our understanding. It's got long-run absorption of about 175,000 square feet a quarter. It can head down in dramatic fashion, and it can recover with the same level of veracity. So that gives us a completely different perspective of risk on the downtown Calgary market. It does have a flashing yellow light. It does depend on the recovery of oil. Nevertheless, it's a solid market fundamentals over the long-run perspective. When you compare it to Edmonton, where we have record new developments rising as well, we're likely to see that market head towards 18% by the year 2017. Now, Edmonton has actually a red flashing light simply because the demand historically is so thin that that's a lot of space coming in a very short period of time. Additionally, one of their key demand drivers is the government, and the government right now has its revenues being curtailed by weak natural gas prices as well as weak oil prices. So Calgary and Edmonton fighting for record vacancy as we move towards the years 2017 and beyond. Now, our second observation is on downtown Toronto. Very recently, we've seen some negative absorption in the first quarter of downtown Toronto. So the question on my mind is, what does that mean? Does it mean we're seeing a downward trend in economic conditions that are impacting the downtown Toronto market? The answer is absolutely not. We continue to see strong fundamentals. If you look at the transaction level in downtown Toronto, we continue to see growth. If we look at the past 4 quarters, absorption has been about 240,000 square feet a quarter. You really couldn't get any stronger. So fundamentals remain strong. Vacancy is going to rise to about 9.6% in downtown Toronto. It's going to be very opportunistic from a tenant's perspective, but it's going to be those older stock of inventory that are challenged. And there's going to be a lot of great opportunities for tenants in the marketplace who are looking to relocate between 2016 and 2018. I'm Stuart Barron, National Director of Research for Canadian Markets for Cushman & Wakefield. Thanks for joining me for the Q2 2015 Market Watch.